student from TCFS. 然后呢 and I'm Justin Lin.
I'm Willie Lee. So today our topic of our presentation today is migrant workers needs and entertainment. Migrant workers needs and entertainment.
And so before the photo. So first I would like to tell a story as my beginning. In one summer vacation, I visited Southeast Asia with my family for 3 weeks. It was not a long trip. Several days in the beginning were happy. Anything was novel to me, but gradually I came to lose my interest in anything around me. In action, I could not fit into local cultures. So, not knowing what to do, I just stayed in the hotel and using the equipment.
Wow, so poor you are.
Honestly, this could be done in Taiwan as well.
So, first question, what plays an important role in your life?
In my opinion, I think recreation plays an important role in my life. For spicing up my life. If the life without it, I think it will become boring. As human beings, those migrant workers who come to Taiwan also share the same feeling with us, right?
Okay, so the second question, what does migrant workers need in Taiwan?
I think the key to the question is simple. That is, all of us are human beings, migrant workers, and we are all human beings. We are all born from the earth. So the things we need for our daily life are the same. The things we need for our daily life are the same. It's recreation.
Okay, so the last question, how to meet their needs?
I think before the answer to the question, we should know the situation now we face in Taiwan first.
Okay, let's start it. Okay, with the increasing number of migrant workers in Taiwan, the problem is bound to worsen, and neither the government nor Taiwanese people should ignore this problem.
And second, to have a comfortable and enjoyable lifestyle. What kind of is this lifestyle? It is to have a living environment with hospitality instead of with prejudice. To be able to walk around rather than being limited to an invisible discrimination or being confined to the specific regions.
Okay, and second, to have the feeling like at home, have some cultural activities, or even in a similar living place.
Okay, and let's see how the migrant workers in Taiwan entertain themselves. First,
they to have the feeling like being at home. They chatting with their fellow friends from the same countries. Therefore, they need an agreeable environment. So that is a place where oppression or prejudice are exceeded. A living environment will offers that a sense of belongingness.
And second, where does comfortable and enjoyable lifestyle come from? Let's have the empathy. If you were a migrant workers who came to Taiwan for work, without anyone to rely on, the thing what you need is a place just like home, or a feeling like home, right? So we should integrate with our government to give them a place where they feel they belong to. And furthermore, we should add some Southeast Asia element to our education. Therefore, all of us can give them a helping hand.
Third, second, to their desires. Everyone has desires, such as material desires, money desires, or to sexual desires, and they want they want to we want to satisfy them, and how to satisfy them their desires. They go to there are some problems in the ASEAN abuse regarding sex abuse in their town, so that lead to bad effects.
Okay, so have we really met their needs? Have we really met their needs? Okay, let's move on.
Oh, okay. We must know their problems and understand them much more.
Okay, in terms of the conflicts, the complex structure of the population is the problem basis. Different people bring to different cultures. Such huge and complicated cannot help but have some conflicts. Furthermore, the problem has formed a vicious circle, which gave a deep and bad impression on Taiwanese. Thus, bias and prejudice ensued. Okay, and
how does our government solve these problems?
Okay, and first let's start from the innovating of the ASEAN Square. I usually saw lots of carol days and forced construction when I passed Taichung train station or ASEAN Square. The government should provide them some space where they can celebrate their holidays or observe their holiday without bothering others.
Okay. Second, the laws are also concerned. Giving them welfare is crucial, like providing health insurance for them to safety's sake in Taiwan.
Okay, and the third is policy. I saw a news on the website by chance. That is to holding an athletic activity especially for them. Not only exercise, but also have more better interactions.
Okay, below are our solutions and suggestions.
Okay, so to solve the bias and unnecessary conflicts, we should provide more consolations to all of us. For example, to give them more activities information, or set up a channel for them. The channel broadcasts some programs from their hometown or the local news. Therefore, it can decrease the distance. They can decrease the distance between us and
decrease some prejudice.
Yes.
Okay, next. We introduce some different cultures to Taiwan based on their cultures, and make them feel at home even living in Taiwan. Plus, more Southeast Asian style shops in the Taiwan in your neighborhood, like some restaurants or stores, and we use fewer resources to satisfy them, but we meet their demands perfectly, so they can want what they need easily.
Okay, so let's take a look at these two pictures. Where are they introducing interaction to each other? The fact lies in the limit. That is, the various living nations fix their living space. Sometimes they feel suffocating.
Okay, therefore, we need our society to give them more tolerance, 同理心, and we can treat them like our family. And our domestic media put much effort into the issue, and thus making a harmless, real human paradise.
Okay, We appreciate your attention.
Hảo, 谢谢两位同学精彩的演讲，那我们讲题。
这两位同学也是高一嘛？对，然后在前面那个大哥哥大姐姐的那个压力之下，能够这样表现也是很棒的这样子，然后很不错，就是在高一就有这样的机会可以做这样的学习这样。那这次你们选的主题都是东南亚，我觉得很好。那这样是一个开始，那我也认为你们建议的那个几个方式是可以去做的。那其实从你们自己本身去做投入这样的报告，去做这样研究，就是一个改变的起点这样。不过你们因为里面有提到一点叫同理心，请你回到上一页好吗？再回到上一页。好，这一张图呢，其实你说是要让大家看到比较，然后你其实有一个价值观在里面，说你认为这样是比较好的，然后这样是比较不好的。那就老师的了解，就是我之前在印尼旅行很久，那其实印尼人他们都喜欢坐在地板，因为他们那边是很热的，他们的地板是非常非常干净，他们都是铺瓷砖的。所以你可以看到最近有很多的书籍，就是台湾有办一些东南亚移工的书展，他们都文章展览，他们都有提到他们很多人的努力是要买最棒的瓷砖寄回家去，因为对他们来说那是他们最光荣，或者是他们的 lifestyle。那所以当你说这样做这个对比的时候，其实这有一点点不太正确。它其实就是说你要先去了解，他们其实都喜欢坐在地板的，就是为什么我们台北车站的那一格一格里面，他喜欢在那边，因为他们在家就是坐在地板，然后但是他们的地板是每天要，我之前在那边住民宿的时候，我民宿的主人他是地板要每天用漂白水擦3次的，所以我觉得我走进去是我很脏，所以就是我们台湾人会有一些比较没有去接触到，所以我不太知道。所以这个同理心的部分，我觉得这个报告是一个开始，也许你们可以多多去接触，而且最重要的是让更多人都有这样的想法，我觉得是很好的开始。谢谢你们。谢谢。
我觉得刚刚同学有一个部分很好，就是这两组互动，刚刚虽然都有一点点不小心 miss 掉的部分，可是你们两个很好，就是他忘记的时候你就赶快提醒他，然后你忘记的时候他会直接帮你接话，就说哦对对是这个，所以我觉得他们虽然就是有点 miss 掉，可是那个互动的默契还不错，所以很完整的把这个报告的部分讲完。那我讲一下简报题的建议，就是第一个好像在前面有一个 question 的地方，在最前面，我觉得字有一点太小，你提出好几个问题，然后那个字有一点太小了。那中间有一页是 solution from government， 那边有放一个总统府，然后下面有3个问题，对吗？这一页好，那也可以看一下，其实它基本上。我觉得图片或许你们可以不用，就直接把你们要讲的东西拿出来就好，因为那个是重要的东西嘛。做了什么对他们真的有用。然后后面是 solution from us 那边，这一页的问题，我觉得比较大的是颜色，因为底色是浅色的，可是你那 setting up 那边，如果在后面一点看的话，会不太清楚，因为2个。字的颜色跟底色都是浅色，它的辨识会比较不明显，大概是这样。谢谢你们。
谢谢。